You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words and more confusing vocabulary too many people get wrong, including from French. So stay tuned to the channel, loads to learn here. Yes, this is a word from French originally. In French said as patois, patois. That's why the S is silent, because it's from French. In English it's said as patois, patois, or some say it also as patois, because in French there's no emphasis on either the first or the second. There's the same stress on both, so generally it's more patois in English, but patois is also fine because it's from French. Patois. It's easy, and now you know it all. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.